Hi, I'm Dr. Melinda Lacerna, board-certified plastic and reconstructive surgeon here in Bradenton, Florida. Today, we're going to talk about more fun stuff. So, what is super important and what keeps me very passionate about my work that I love every day? And that is life-work balance. What really that means is that we work hard, but we also party hard. As you can see, I have my wall of gratitude here. I did this in 2020 during the pandemic year. And because during that year we couldn't travel, I decided to print out my most favorite family and travel pictures. And so here, every day I look at my wall of gratitude and I'm extremely happy about my life and my career. So what exactly is life-work balance? Literally, that is a very personal choice. Only you can determine that. So we start with things outside work that we are really passionate about. So with me, obviously, that's quality time spent with my son and with my husband. Number two, health is super important. I am a workout freak. I try to work out 4 to 5 times a week. I used to go to CrossFit gyms called Fit Crew in Bradenton, but since the pandemic, we started buying our own equipment and we turned our home garage into a home gym. So now, even though the gyms are open again, I really got spoiled having my own gym at home. Every day I make out my little workout. I try to do this first thing in the morning after I take my son to school, and before work. So before clinic, I try to do my workout. Healthy food and cooking at home is also super important. I try to avoid carbs during the week, but during the weekend, I go ahead and go for it. Wine is also another passion of mine since me and my husband are foodies. What goes with that is a great palette of wine and pairing fantastic gourmet foods with phenomenal wines. Travel is also another one of my passions. To date, I have been to 37 countries and counting. Our last trip was an amazing trip to Austria. I was fortunate enough to be asked to speak at the International Society of Aesthetic Plastic Surgeons at the meeting this year in Vienna, Austria. And then the rest of the week, we spent time driving around the country and seeing the beautiful country of Austria and meeting the very, very friendly Austrians. My other passion is scuba diving. I have been an advanced open water diver since even before my son was born. We've been certified since 2006. And recently, my son, Caden, has just been certified as a scuba diver as well. So now we incorporate this as basically another family sport that we're all passionate about. When I was in high school, I thought about becoming a marine biologist when I was growing up in Southern California. And so I've always been very passionate about marine life, and I've always thought of myself as being a mermaid when I was growing up. I just loved water. When I was a kid, my dad used to throw me in the ocean and I would have to swim back to him, and this happened repeatedly. And that's how I started loving the ocean, and I love scuba diving. It's seeing another part of the world. My next passion are dogs. Everybody knows this. During my last birthday, I got about 20 dog cards of different varieties, so obviously everyone knows I'm the crazy dog lady. I love dogs. They give you unconditional love. I have a little Chihuahua that I've had for 15 years now. He's my little baby. His name is Nacho. And I have a rescue Boston Terrier. Her name is Marley, and she's 5 years old, and we just love them to death, and they're part of our family. My last passion, I have too many hobbies, but of course my last passion is art. So I love to paint. I'm a self-taught oil painting artist. I do mosaics, And I'm also into doll houses, which kind of freak out a lot of people because they think I'm weird and only little girls should be playing with doll houses. But I love the creative aspect of it. So I've always loved architecture and interior design. So to me, to be able to create my own little world in a dollhouse is very idyllic, and I love it, and it's the way I get rid of stress. Thanks for listening with all my crazy hobbies, and I hope you too find your passion and your life work balance, because we're only here once. Take care.